From Moreland.
After highs in the 50s yesterday, we cooled back down into the 40s today, and even cooler weather is on the way. Let's just call it colder, in fact. High temperatures on Saturday and Sunday will only be around freezing. Right now, we are looking at widespread 40s across northeast Wisconsin. However, north and east of Green Bay, temperatures are currently in the upper 30s. In Appleton, it is cloudy and 45. In Green Bay, we're looking at cloudy conditions. The temperature is also 45 degrees with northeast winds at around 5 miles per hour. After a soaking rain last night and some dense fog earlier today, we are now looking at relatively quiet conditions across the state of Wisconsin, but it's not going to stay that way. The big storm we've been talking about all week long is now beginning to pull out of the Rockies. This is going to turn into a powerful area of low pressure as it very slowly works east over the next 4 days or so. Blizzard warnings have already been issued here for parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Meanwhile, closer to home, we are looking at winter storm watches that now cover most of the NBC26 viewing area. This winter storm watch goes into effect tomorrow and then continues into Sunday. We're going to be looking at accumulating snow, freezing rain and sleet, strong winds, and of course, dangerous traveling conditions. Now, tomorrow will be rain and thunderstorms. At times, we're going to start to see some freezing rain, sleet, and snow mix in, especially from about Green Bay north and west as we head into the afternoon. On Saturday, a wintry mix will go over to all snow as we move throughout the day. That'll basically happen from north to south. We'll see snow heavy at times on Sunday, and then on Monday, light snow during the morning will taper off to flurries as we make our way into the afternoon. Here's Skycast showing a chance for some rain showers later on tonight as Gulf of Mexico moisture starts to stream north towards the western Great Lakes. We'll have a chance for some showers tomorrow morning. And then look at this, showers and even a few thunderstorms as we make our way through the late morning and early afternoon. At the same time, gusty northeast winds will bring some colder air in from the north, and that means we're going to start to mix that rain over to some sleet, freezing rain, and snow. And by tomorrow evening, we could already be looking at 1 to 3 inches of snow here from roughly Green Bay north, including Shawano County, Oconto County, Marinette County, and Door County. There's the snow. Tomorrow evening to the north of Green Bay, you can see as colder air continues to work in tomorrow night into Saturday morning, that wintry mix gradually switching over to all snow as we head through Saturday. And then the brunt of the storm will be developing to our south and west by Saturday afternoon. That will then move over northeast Wisconsin Saturday night, Sunday into early Monday morning. Now, this winter storm is going to bring heavy rain, sleet, freezing rain, and snow. There are still some questions: what, where, and how much, and we're at about that point now where we're going to start to answer some of those questions. The snow totals look to be very impressive, especially north and west of Green Bay. So far this month, we have picked up 12.5 inches. The snowiest April on record is 15.1 inches. We're going to smash that record. No question about it. The next question here: how big will this snowstorm be? Well, here's a look at the top 5 biggest April snowstorms on record. We just had number 5 last week. We could certainly be looking at number 1 when all is said and done. Right now, I'm thinking most of us are going to be around 6 to 12 inches, but there is going to be a band of a foot or more of snow developing across a large chunk of the viewing area. Right now, it looks like that's going to be about from Green Bay north. This could wobble a little bit farther south or a little bit farther north. And within this band of 12 inches plus, some spots could see 18 to possibly 24 inches of snow. This is going to be a major snowstorm for parts of Wisconsin. Tonight, look for clouds and rain showers with lows in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, rain and a wintry mix. We'll have some thunderstorms as well as those gusty northeast winds really start to kick in. High temperatures will only be in the mid-30s, about 10 degrees colder than what we saw today. A wintry mix going over to snow on Saturday. Highs around freezing. Heavy snow on Sunday with high winds blowing and drifting. We could be looking at blizzard conditions. Mid-30s on Monday with light snow going over to flurries. We get a break on Tuesday, and then another system rolls through on Wednesday with a wintry mix or snow. And Regina, once again with that system, we could be looking at accumulating snow across northeast Wisconsin as well. It's kind of crazy to think that May is only a couple of weeks away now, and we're looking at potentially the biggest winter storm of the entire season this weekend.
And everyone's just changing their plans now because
it's a good idea. Yeah, I would not be traveling Saturday or Sunday.
All right, Cameron, thanks for that. Well,
Okay.
this just into the newsroom. 2 people are behind bars in connection to yesterday's shots fired incident that caused some Green Bay schools to go into secure the building mode. A 28-year-old man and an 18-year-old woman were taken into custody by Gillette police at a motel early this morning. Officers also seized marijuana and meth from the